Gawa tayo ng paruta, guys. Yummy na paruta. Ganito magawa ng paruta, guys. Yan. Paruta meaning chapati yata. Chapati yata yun. Ito. Chapati yata. Ito. Yummy. Ganito magawa ng paruta, guys. Para pang almusal. Almusal, breakfast. For the breakfast, guys. Yummy. This is my breakfast today. Before go to work. Before go to work, si Inday maggawa ng breakfast. Okay, thank you for watching, guys.